This is Paula Hines Lonergan with another Alzheimer's caregiver tip in about a minute. This is a shampoo bed. It needs to be inflated and deflated. In this video, I'm going to talk about the air pump that I use, and it works very well. Now, I'm going to pan over. This is the brand air pump that I purchased from Amazon. It's called Smart Air Beds. Now, this is the base of the air pump, and if you look closely at it, it can deflate. If you look at the side, it can also inflate. Now, also in this box came 3 pump nozzles. Now, you'll see the 3 different sizes of the pump nozzles. I'm going to pick them up so you can see them. Here's a small size. Here's a fairly large size. And this one's like an extra large size. Now, in the case of the shampoo bed, I ended up using the nozzle with the small size. What I do is I take this nozzle and I put it on top of the air pump itself. There we go. And that's how we're able to use it. There's the on and off button. And what I would do is take it over to my shampoo bed, put it in, and in this particular case, remember on top it says deflate. If I put the nozzle on that area, that means I'm inflating it. The instructions are pretty clear, as well as safety precautions there, so you want to read those ahead of time. Once again, I purchased this from Amazon. It's worked very successful as far as inflating and deflating the shampoo bed. I hope that this video has been informative and helpful for you. If you like it, please press like, please share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.